I've been a full-time creative business owner now for 10 years, and I've learned a ton of lessons along the way that I want to share with you guys. Welcome to Lesson 4, Ebbs and Flows. Now, this comes from a lesson that I learned from my dad, and it has to do with the ocean, specifically the waves, as they crash in and then go back out. It's an ebb and a flow, and this kind of reflects the natural rhythms and patterns that we see in life. There's times of busy and times of rest. There's times of having a ton of creative ideas and then also needing inspiration. And so we've got to be aware that this is a natural pattern, because the problem is if you're just busy all the time, it's just go, 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 you're going to burn out. Or if you're just chasing create all the time without ever getting inspired, you're going to end up being a little unfulfilled. And so you've got to realize that this natural in and out, this natural ebb and flow is good, and it actually is purposeful, because when it's busy, obviously we're at work, but when things start to fade back a little bit and it's not as busy, that leaves empty space. And empty space as creatives is so important, because that's where we're going to get our new ideas. That's where we're going to get fresh vision. We're going to get fresh direction. We're going to be able to work on the business instead of in the business. And so if you find yourself in one of these two stages, realize it's not going to be that way forever, and that's a good thing. I think back to my times when I was doing freelance work. I was shooting a lot of weddings, and there'd be seasons where it's like, all right, this is wedding season. We have a lot of bookings. And then there'd be seasons where we didn't have as many bookings. But during the downtime, we were able to rethink our branding, rethink our strategy more so than we can when we're actively shooting. And so that's just a quick example, but figure out how that would apply to you and to if you're doing content creation or freelance, whatever it is. Just realize that both seasons are important. This actually is something that's mentioned in the Bible. It talks about there being a time and a season for everything. There's times of busy, times of rest, times to plant, times to harvest. So you've just got to think about what season you're in and start to prepare for the next season a little bit. Hopefully you guys have found that helpful. If you want to dive into this topic a little bit deeper, I actually just released a full creator starter pack that you can check out, and it's going to give you all the tools you need to really do awesome at content creation this year. Or if you want to check out the previous lesson, you can check that out right here. Thanks so much for watching, and as always, stay creative. Peace.